Magwala, mag-obra, maglaba kag magplantsa, magluto kag magtigang, magpanglimpyo kag maghugas pinggan.
Oras mo na magpahuway, gani magpili na.
Oh, good morning mga Megs! It's a wonderful Sunday. Wow, grabe no? Second week of July na. Kadasig lang isang tiyempo.
Good morning mga Megs. That's right, Mega Cars. No, grabe kadasig lang sa panahon. Doon nagalabay lang.
Amo gani mga Megs. Pero imagine if you're given 100 years.
Wow!
100 years! Palawig-lawig sila.
Pero seriously, 100 years, madamo, sigurado. Pero if you ask me, I would dedicate that 100 years to doing something worthwhile. Kag maka-impact ka sa subong, hindi lang sa subong, kundi you will also leave a legacy for the future generations.
Ako yung 100 years. No, gusto ko yung makatuan natin yung tanan nga mga lugar. Siyempre yung pwede lang, no? Malibot natin tanan nga tourist destination, dili sa kalibutan. Kung pwede lang ha, kung pwede lang.
Mga 100 years kapag idya ka, luhoy mo sa kalibutan.
Pero higit mga Megs, pwede na as long as ulupuday, kita tanan. Oo, dapat. Kag dapat ha, we are one gid ha. Oh, speaking of we are one, kabalo ka mga one of the academic institutions diri sa Pilipinas. Espesyal gid nga tuig para sa ila subok. Kag syempre proud gid kuya kay man alma mater ko na mo ang Lasal.
And we are proud nga maging kabahin sa ilang Centennial celebration because Lasal for 100 years has been producing the best minds and shaping the Philippine generation.
Correct. Gani mga pamilya, updi kami sa isa ka espesyal nga selebrasyon kaupod ang Lasal. Diri lang sa inyong paborito nga programa kada Domingo ang
Mag-TV na, Amiga! Let's go!
100 years of service. 100 years of excellence. Sa sininga tuig, we are one as we celebrate Lasal Centennial Year. Ang paghanduraw sang naglinigad, paghibalo sang tagsa kaistorya nga nagahatag inspirasyon. 100 years of teaching minds, touching hearts, and transforming lives. Animo Lasal. Sininga aga sa Mag-TV na, Amiga.
O mga Meg, sa subong nga tuig as Lasal celebrates its centennial year, syempre, padayon gihapon nila ginapagayo ng isa sa ilang mga core values. Parehas na lang sang teaching minds, touching hearts, kag transforming lives.
Yes, ang ganing Mega Cars, it has reached its 100th year in teaching minds, touching hearts, and of course, transforming lives.
Si St. John Baptist de La Salle nagapati nga ang edukasyon ang magahatag sang paglaom kag oportunidad para sa tanan. Kabuhi nga may dignidad kag kahilwayan. Kag siya ang nangin inspirasyon para matukod ang La Salle Schools sa bilog nga kalibutan kag diriman sa Pilipinas.
Dari, can you please tell us kung paano nag-start ang Lasal diri sa Philippines?
Okay, ang Lasal nagsugod sa Pilipinas ng 1911 upon the invitation of the Archbishop of Manila then. And so there were 9 brothers, the De La Salle brothers, or what we know also as the Brothers of the Christian Schools, who came to Manila and established schools. No? And the first school that they have established was in Paco, Manila, and this is now what you call as De La Salle University.
De La Salle. So back then, ano ang mission and vision of the school?
Ang primary mission gidsang school of the brothers is to provide quality Christian education to the Filipino youth. So ang core values gid is basically also anchored on the tatlo na wala ka letter sa punta sa ngalan sang brother. If you notice ang name sang brother, may tatlo na ka letter to designate kung diin sila nga order nagahalin. No? So Brothers of the Christian School, it's a Latin word, but at the same time it has another meaning which is faith, service, and community or communion. So basically amo ni ang tatlo ka core values of a Lasallian wherever he or she may be.
For 100 years, I'm sure ang Lasal nag-spread out na all over the Philippines. As of now, mga pila ka schools ng Lasal yan ari sa bilog ng Pilipinas.
So as you know, we celebrated our centennial year last June 16. No? So that was our centennial day. And then it's a whole year celebration. And as of the moment, we already have 17 Lasal schools all over the country. And the University of St. Lasal in Bacolod is the second Lasal school to be established.
Tatlo ka American brothers ang nanging founder sang Lasal Bacolod sang 1952. si Brother Felix Mason, Brother Hugh Wester, kag Brother Dennis Roland. How come the Lasallian brothers picked Bacolod as their second location for a Lasallian school?
I think I should say that the choice for LaSalle Bacolod is a providential act of God. It's an act of grace, and therefore we have the presence here in Negros. No? And of course, upon the invitation of the local people, as well as the offering of the Montelibano family, actually the late City Mayor Alfredo Montelibano Sr. offered the land where LaSalle is right now. It's a 10-hectare land.
Ang grade school nag-open nga mayara sang 7 teachers kag 175 students halin sa prep hasta grade 5. Halin sa 1960s nag-amat-amat ang pagdako sang Lasal sa grade school hasta college. Initanan nangin posible man sa bulig sang mga alumni, parents kag benefactors. Ang sanguna nga exclusive lang sa boys nga eskwelahan nag-open sang 1966. First batch sang kababainhan nga estudyante sa college. Kag sang 1988, ini ang informally declare nga university.
Damo gid na nakita ko mga pagbago, no? Facilities and programs. No? But I think one thing na nag-remain nga wala yan nagbago is that mission and the vision of providing quality Christian education to the Filipino youth. No? But of course, ang mga changes nga nakita nato nga na-expand ang mga academic programs, and not only academic programs, but even ang ato nga mga outreach and development programs, sports programs. So kadamo, no? There's just so many diverse offerings that LaSalle provides. No?
Na-notice ko gina nga ang LaSalle is very active gid in offering mga amusin nga mga services and programs. How come nga very active gid ang LaSalle?
Well, very active because it's in the heart of our mission. It's really in the heart of our mission to extend, to reach out, to be innovative and creative in reaching out so that we are able to contribute to social transformation and nation building.
What do you think is the effect of the education that LaSalle offers to the community or to the Philippines as a whole?
I think one effect of LaSallian education is that we have taken a leadership role, so to speak. Although we are humbled by this, but you know, if you recall during the Centennial celebration just a day before, last June 15, we recognized LaSallians in local government, and there were more than 70 of them, and more than 60 showed up. And it's really, in fact, if I were to quote the governor, he said that, you know, if there's one thing unique about the province of Negros Occidental in terms of local governance, it's because majority of the leaders in top positions are LaSallians. And this is where LaSallians make a difference. Of course, not only that, but also in so many various fields, in economics, business, even agriculture, and basically development and education. So we're really creating impact among our alumni, among our graduates, and among our partners.
Paano kagin makahambal ng isa ka estudyante is a LaSallian graduate? Ano? What makes them different?
I think it's consistent with the FSC nga spirit and value. Mambal mo nga isa ka tao is a LaSalle graduate because of that faith in God. No? May deep sense of faith gid siya. At the same time, ang value towards excellence, academic excellence, and service to the community. May concern gid siya for the poor, for the country. Gusto ko lang ni Kwaon na tinion agud magpasalamat no, sa tanan-tanan, no, partners, our students, administrators, faculty, staff, alumni, donors, benefactors, tanan-tanan gid nga naging stakeholders sa University of St. LaSalle. Amon gid ginapasalamatan no, kag naging successful ini kag hindi lang ni siya mo, it will be a whole year round of celebration. That's why with this thank you note is also a note of invitation to all, no, especially as we look forward to our 60th year, to our Diamond Jubilee year. I invite all of you, especially our alumni, to take part in this celebration and to be a part of this campaign to give LaSalle a priceless gift. And that's why join us in helping raise the 60 million pesos. Salamat.
Baloon ang mga proyekto sang LaSalle.
Actually, we have so many projects hindi lang niya concentrated sa USLS. No, we have 2 flagship programs all over the country. It's among 17 LaSalle schools. one is the one with you.
Bantayan sa pagbalik sang Mag TV na Amiga.